What are the benefits of cloud storage? 1. Usability and accessibility. The first of the main cloud storage benefits concerns usability and accessibility. Most of the cloud data storage services come with an easy-to-use user interface and provide a feature of drag and drop. For instance, you can think of Google Drive from Google or iDrive from Apple. They both have a simple interface, and you can easily upload your file on your online drive without any expert knowledge. For example, if you have saved a file in a drive using a mobile device, you can retrieve that file using a computer or any other device with internet connectivity. It doesn't matter where you are right now. If you have a good internet connection, you can access your files, which are saved online somewhere in the data centers. 2. Security. If anything is associated with the internet, then safety becomes our primary concern. Both big and small businesses use cloud storage solutions, so before they choose a cloud service for their business, they make sure that the service provided gives them better security. Cloud storage saves your data across redundant servers, so even if one of the data centers collapses, your data will be managed by the other data centers, which makes your data safe and supervised. If all the data centers of the storage provider collapsed or are destroyed, then only your data could be lost, and this is an entirely impossible phenomenon because a cloud storage service is formed of thousands of data centers. Some of the cloud storage solutions vendors keep copies of your data at different data centers, so even if the data get lost or corrupted at the server, the backup must be there. 3. Cost efficient. By only using the cloud storage service, the business outsources the data storage problem. By using online data storage, the enterprise reduces the expenses of internal resources. With this technology, the company itself does not need any inner power and support to manage and store its data. The cloud storage vendor handles all. There are some cloud storage options provided which give cloud storage for a lifetime at an affordable price, which is a win-win offer for small businesses and individual users. 4. Convenient sharing of files. All cloud storage options provide file sharing features, which help you to share your file with other users. You can either send a file to another user or invite multiple users to view your data. Mostly all the vendors provide a cloud environment in which two users using the same cloud service can share their data, though there are only a few service vendors that offer cross-platform file sharing features. 5. Automation. Cloud storage services work like a hard disk on your system, and if you want to store a file in the cloud, they will not temper any ongoing task. There may be more than one user using a cloud storage service, and the current responsibility of one user would not affect the task of another since it is all managed and automated by the cloud provider vendor. 6. Multiple users. The same cloud environment can have more than one user associated with it. With cloud storage, multiple users can collaborate with a common file. For instance, you can allow multiple users to access your files and edit them. The authorized person can access your file from any part of the world in real time. 7. Synchronization. Another benefit of cloud storage relates to synchronization. Each cloud storage provider gives the sync feature. With synchronization, you can sync the cloud storage data with any device you want. As we have discussed, we can access our data from any device and any part of the world, but this accessibility is done with the help of synchronization. With proper credentials, you can log into your subscribed storage service with any device, and you will be able to access your all data that have been stored in that cloud storage. There is no need to copy data from one device to another, but you need a good internet connection to access your files. 8. Convenient. You do not need any hard disk or flash drive to access or view your data, all is done online. However, if you want to download any file or data, you may require a storage device or you can download that data to your device. But if you want to surf your data, then it would not occupy any space on your device. Even if you make any changes to the data, all the changes will reflect on every device which is synced with that storage service. You do not require any expert or technical knowledge to use the cloud storage service. All the heavy lifting is managed by the vendor itself. 9. Scalable. Cloud storage is scalable and flexible. If the current plan of storage is not enough, you can upgrade the service plan. And you do not need to move any data from one location to another. The extra space will be added to your data storage environment with some extra features. 10. Disaster recovery. Nearing the end of the benefits of using cloud storage, the last one concerns disaster recovery. Every business has a backup storage plan where they store all the copies of their data. If they encounter any collapse or loss of data problem, they can retrieve data from their backup plan, and that is why cloud storage options are the best method to deal with this problem. Cloud storage service provides the best platform for disaster recovery data. Any business can use cloud storage as a data backup storage, so if there is a data loss, the company can retrieve backup data from the cloud. Disadvantages of cloud storage. Below are the main drawbacks of using cloud storage services. 1. Drag and drop. The drag and drop option may move your original data from one location to another, so make sure instead of using the drag and drop option, simply use the copy and paste method. 2. Internet dependency. Without an internet connection, you cannot access your data while downloading the file from cloud storage. If there is an internet failure, it might corrupt the data which you were downloading. 3. Data security and privacy. Many cloud storage vendors lack data security and privacy fields, and there are many cases where the data from the cloud storage gets leaked. 4. Costs. Most of the best cloud storage services are expensive. This is because they are specially designed for business purposes. If you go for a less expensive plan, you might have to compromise with some of the features. Conclusion. In the last decade, cloud storage services have gained so much popularity in the software industry, and now every big tech company has its cloud service. No matter whether it's a small or big business, everyone requires cloud storage service to store data because data is the next power weapon. Big tech is investing a lot in the cloud industry because it holds the potential to change the complete structure of storage and communication.